what we did in the class was the standing positions. Yeah, we'll walk up to the line. Let's imagine this is the line for now. 2 feet forward, yeah? Fingers off the trigger, my gun's not even loaded yet, alright? Blade slightly back, gun up to your eye level, yeah? Head down tight. Now start with your eye close, slowly bring your eye back, and I've now got my sight picture, yeah? We talked about sight alignment and sight picture. With the optical scope we're looking for our sight picture, okay? Because it's doing the aligning for us, alright? So good sight picture. And then from there you've got the free arm position, which I'm demonstrating now with my left arm out. Or the rested, yeah?